So guys, a lot of people come to my DM asking me of some of the career opportunities that they can involve themselves in after their forex training. That is why in this video, I'm going to show you exactly 8 career opportunities that you can involve yourself in after your forex training, or if you decide to go full-time into forex trading. Now, once you decide to be a forex trader, automatically you become a retail forex trader. Now, who is a retail forex trader? Basically, a retail forex trader is someone who buys and sells currencies, commodities, indices, stocks on a trading platform with the hope of making profit. So once you decide to trade on the financial market, automatically you become a forex retail trader or an investor. Now, the second opportunity is you becoming a proprietary fund manager. Now, who is a proprietary fund manager? Now, once you've mastered the skill of trading on the forex market, you want to subscribe to the services of a proprietary firm so that you can have access to huge funds to trade with the hope of making very good profit. Yes. Now, with as little as $80, $100, you can get access to about $50,000, $100,000, $400,000 to trade on your own. Once you pass through the evaluation process and you make profit at the live account, the proprietary firm is going to pay you 80% and they are going to take 20%. So it's a very quick way of making a lot of profit on the financial market. The third opportunity is a Forex signal alert provider. Now, I started as a signal provider. You understand? When I started my Forex career, like go full time, I didn't have money to start. So once I had the skill, I was able to start as a signal alert provider where I give trade calls. People make profit from my entry and exit prices. And once they are making profit, they will tend to pay you monthly subscription for the services I'm providing. So you can also do that. Master the skill. Then once you master the skill, you try to create a community where you'll be giving them trade calls as to when to enter, the entry, the exit, the stop loss and everything. So once they make profit, they'll be paying you monthly subscription for the services that you are providing. You can also be an introducing broker, simply put an IB. Now, as an IB, your role is to introduce clients to a broker. Now, once you've mastered the skill, what you can also do is that you can create a community, give free training to people who want to also or who are aspiring to be great traders. You train them, you recommend a very good broker to them. So once they are trading, the broker will pay you based on the volume you are generating to the broker. Now, assuming you have 10 clients and each of them trade one lot. Now, brokers will pay you about $10 on one lot. So if a day you have the 10 people trading one lot, that means that a day is how much? It's 10 times 10, which is what? $100. Now, $100 times 20 days, that is about $2,000. So you see, there's a lot of money in becoming an IB. So once you become a trader, you can also train people, decide to be an IB, and you make a lot of money from being an IB. You can be a Forex analyst for a broker. Now, who is a Forex analyst? A Forex analyst is basically a Forex researcher. So he is employed by the broker to do daily market commentary and do other research for the broker, so that the traders who trade on a broker's platform can also benefit from those analyses. Now, once you do that, you become an analyst of a broker, and the broker will pay you on a monthly subscription. Hello guys, I hope you are enjoying this video. Now, if you are enjoying this video, just take 1 minute and subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, press on the notification bell, and I'll drop you very hot content. Once you become a forex trader, you can also be a forex tutor. A forex tutor is basically a mentor, right? So the mentor will provide you with the necessary skill, the necessary practice, or the correct practice to adopt to be consistent on the Forex market. I am also a mentor, right? And trust you me, when you come for my STR strategy course, I'll charge you. Yes, so you can also learn from me, create your own strategy, get people who aspire to be great traders like you, and you also charge them for the services that you provide. Hey programmers, so where are you? Now, there is a great opportunity for you as a programmer. See, as a programmer, you can also learn the art of trading Forex so that you can program Forex tools like robots. You are called an expert advisor. Now you can create Forex tools so that once the robot is making profit, you put the robot on an MT4 or on an account with the hope of making profit. Once it's making consistent profit, you can rent the robot. I mean, other traders can rent the robot, then they'll put it on the account. They will also be making profit. Then they will pay you as the developer. They will pay you monthly subscription for people using your robot. Okay, you can also create a fund management where you put the robot on an account. People will copy the trades from that account. So once they are making profit, there is a profit share that every month you can instruct the EA to deduct 30% or 40% of the profit accrued for the month. So it's a nice way of generating income as an expert advisor. One that I want to talk about is becoming a YouTuber. Hey girls, so where you are? Now you see, with ladies, you have great opportunity. There are not much ladies in the Forex market as tutors or as mentors. Now it's an opportunity for you to also create a YouTube channel where you'll be able to train ladies to also aspire to be great traders like you. Now, people are more curious to know what ladies can do in the Forex market. So seize that opportunity, become a YouTuber, and make that good money as a YouTuber on the Forex market. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video, and please listen, if you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's very important. Don't forget to smash the like button, put down the best comment that you can put down, and trust you me, I'm going to bring the best content for you to enjoy and make that consistency in the Forex market. My name is Dr. Harmonix, your favorite mentor, and see you in the next video.